Hey guys, we're here at the Ashburn Car Wash, and this car, which is the 2012 Nissan Rogue, is going to get a car wash.
Hi, I want the titanium service.
I have a special guest, but I will not be showing her face.
Yeah, that's your first name. Yes. Oh, thanks.
So here's the Ashburn Car Wash logo.
I think last time I liked it. Oh.
And here is the actual logo on the building. Up there, I don't know if you can't see it at all with the clock. You can't see the clock, but that is a clock tower up there. You have your inner vacuum cleaners. Here's a nice little sign. It helps you showing your headlight restoration. This car wash also has Simonite's Hot Wax and Shine.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thanks.
The Express Detail. There's a Simonite's Express Detail. And then here we go. You have your rules. Here, this gentleman is going to direct the car. As you can see, there's a mirror that helps direct the car. And we are in the car wash. This is a Belanger system. And as you can see, it has the duo cloth curtain first. As you can see in there, that's the waiting room. The gentleman is spraying the car with a certain substance, maybe just water, I'm not sure. There goes the cloth. Over here was your sign again. There's the sunroof. So here's the pre-soak. A dual cloth curtain that goes vertical on your car. Seeing up there, you can see the special guest without the face. And you see that's the tire scrubbers. There's another one on the other side. You have your rocker panel brushes. You have your big brushes. Our big brush on our side is coming up. The rocker brush is coming up on this side as well. Like I said before, this is a Belanger system. For the triple soak, triple coat of paint, or the soap, triple foam, There's lights over there. And this is the side-to-side cloth curtain, or I should actually say mitter. You can see up here, we have more brushes. Here's sunroof now, covered with soap and all. Over there is the rinsing stations. And then the Belanger dryers. So here we're getting some rinsing now. Rinsing off all of the triple foam. As you can see, there's a little bit of rain here. That's a spot free. So here are the Belanger dryers. These are very common in a lot of car washes, especially the ones made by Belanger, and especially at gas stations that have the Belanger systems in them. I can see over here, you can inside the dryer. That's a huge fan. You know I love fans. So that's the Belanger dryers. This sign here, it tells you to wait or go, but it looks like the indicator might be broken. So the video is not over yet because we're going to take a small drive into one of the 3 garages. But that was the car wash tunnel. There's the clock tower. Still no clock. As you can see, it's a nice garage system. You have some washer and dryers to wash all the towels off. We turned off the car. Hey, how you doing? Thank you. So this is your cleaning area with all your people. This is the lobby. So here's the lobby. You have your Samsung television. You have your lights. You have a water drinking station with your cups. It's pretty low right now. It's a nice looking little area. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And that'll be it.